Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit our YouTube and Facebook pages. If you just search for King Piers LLC while you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. You can find all of our pictures and videos detailing all of our different foundation repair projects. Really great way to educate yourself on proper foundation repair. But out here, we're doing a video showcase of our project in Kansas City, Missouri. This is our big kind of 3-scope project. First scope, 9 King Pier 1s we're installing under the bottom row of stone around the side of the house. 9th one back here on the back corner. As you know, with our King Pier 1 installations, we go 49 inches below the footing. In this case, there is no footing on a stone foundation, so we go 49 inches below the bottom row of stone, and then about 2.5 feet inward horizontally underneath it. Ran into a lot of concrete that was in the holes, so we had to move some of our digging a little bit further out than we normally would on a simple pier installation job, so just to kind of work around all that concrete. We are at depth now, so with a stone foundation we can't just start tunneling horizontally underneath the house. There is no footing on a stone foundation, so you have to make sure that the bottom row of stone is properly supported, otherwise it's just going to fall out when you start tunneling underneath it. So we are just getting everything ready to get those steel supports in place, and we should make pretty quick work of tunneling underneath it and get everything ready for the first pour of concrete, which is going to be 3 feet in height, bringing us to that 13 inches below the underside of the stone foundation, where we will then install our King Piers. Second scope, realigning the stone foundation wall. There's a lot of damage on the foundation, on the brick above it. This part in particular, you can see we have our supports in place just to keep that wall stabilized while we were doing our excavation. But yeah, that's scope number 2. We'll do that from the inside, remove the stone that's bowing outward, and we'll get that reinstalled vertically. And then the final step is doing our stone foundation renovation from the inside, where we will coat the walls completely top to bottom, corner to corner, with new high-strength concrete mortar. And then once that's dry, we will paint with white Drylock waterproofing paint. But here again, you can see all of the concrete that was previously poured alongside the foundation here, so we had to dig a little bit further out to get underneath it. But now we are ready for getting our supports in place, and we will probably get that going tomorrow, and then do a lot of the initial interior work now that all the exterior digging is getting close to being finalized here and finished up. So stay tuned for more updates. We'll be getting a lot of this interior work done next week, so stay tuned to our YouTube and Facebook channels. Again, just search for King Piers LLC if you have not visited before. Like I said earlier, it's a great way to educate yourself on proper foundation repair. If you're dealing with any kind of similar issues like this, really good way to see, the best course of action to repair those problems. So again, King Piers LLC, YouTube and Facebook. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.